Hello, my name's Adrian Evans and this is my garden. So to grow boxes or raised beds, I absolutely love using these in my own garden. They're just so simple and easy to use. Just a case of constructing them, filling them with the appropriate soil for the plants you want to grow, and you've got great plants for the whole of the summer. Not only are they practical, but you've also got this wonderful design feel to the whole area once you put these boxes in. They raise the garden and give it the feel that there is something different there. Absolutely fantastic. So to make this model grow box like I have here, you're going to need 2 of these grow boxes, the extension fixtures for keeping it all together, and also a suitable stain or oil that you can paint on to protect the wood, but make sure that can be used for edible plants. So to set these things up, it's a good idea if you firstly mark out the area that you want to, where you want to put the boxes, cut out the turf from the area that you're going to be putting the boxes on, and put a fabric like this underneath it. Just stops any tree roots or weeds coming up into the grow box. To make the first one, follow the instructions that are given in the box here. Make sure all the time that you're getting these edges nice and level and straight. To make the second level, like this one here, we're going to be using the smaller parts from the second box that we've got, and we're also going to be using these fixtures here to fix it all together. And these fixtures, very easy to use. Case of just getting out the drill and the screws that are provided, and then just nicely screw that to keep everything in place, like so. When we place the second level on top here, already constructed using the extension pieces, then it's important to get the distances correct between this box here and the one below. So just check that one and make sure it's the same as the distance here. And of course, once you're satisfied with all 4 corners that they're all the same measurement, then finally just take the drill and secure everything into place like that with the final screws. Using the last 2 pieces then from the second box, we've got the models here painted, and we're looking at 80 centimetres here where we're going to cut these. So just taking that square there, we're going to mark this off at 80, just like that. Remove that, taking the saw, just cut that straight through there like that. Okay, nice and square, and just do the same one with the other one. We've got our 2 pieces that we cut off from each other there. We simply line these pieces of wood up, making sure that this one goes on top of this one, not on the side here. So in like this, and get our corner bracket, place that where it wants to be, put in the screw, and the other one. Like that. Then we take our other piece of wood, line that up nicely on there, taking 2 more screws and our drill. I'm going to put my knee behind this one there. And there we have it. So with the corner fastenings then, I've already attached these 2 here, this corner and this corner, by using this one. When it's taken out, we put it against the surface and bend that into its 90-degree shape, like that. And then that can be used to be placed like that one in the corner. The alternative is that with another similar bracket, we can bend these to snap the top off, wiggle and wiggle like that, and again then putting it onto the surface and bending that a little bit easier into 90 degrees, and that too can fit on here. When the box is finished, all constructed now, looking exactly the same as the one I've got here beside me, you will notice that you have a couple of pieces of wood there left over. With those you can do whatever you want to. All I've got to do now with this area is to cover this fabric all the way around with this nice wood mulch product here, and it'll just finish off the whole area, and you've got a lovely, lovely feature in your garden to enjoy.